Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Luxury for Less with me, Avanita. Guys, in my video today I want to show you how I made some napkin rings and also some kitchen towel holder with stuff I have at home that you wouldn't believe I use how to get this. So these I have are some shower rings. I'm sure everybody knows these shower rings. You get them with your shower curtain when you buy them. So what I did, I went ahead and I used two to connect them together with some hot glue. Now, I've always said this before, please be very careful with your hot glue gun because it's very painful when it burns. So just connect it together and then just start putting some gems around it because we are going to make some bling in napkin rings holder or napkin rings. So nice. They came out so nice. And also guys, please check out the video until the end because I have a little, well, not a surprise, but it's something that I wasn't even expecting to do. But then my niece and my nephews are here with me, so we just had a little tea party at the end. So just check it out after. It was so awesome. So I fast forward this bit because it took me a while to put the gems on, and then and then I had to do 6 because obviously my table and chair is 6. But yeah, it was so fun to do with. My niece was here, and then this is what it looks like after I'd finished the first one, and I just went ahead and did the same thing for the other 5. So here I'm going to make the napkin holder. So these are things I have at home. As you can see, literally everything I had at home. This roller, I got it from a foil paper holder that I had, not file paper holder, a foil paper I had, and I just used a tissue holder, cut it in half, and then just circle around where I need to get that gap fill which the file is, because that 2 end is left open. So I just use my scissors to cut it out. And guys, please be very careful with your scissors and just cut it out, and then you will see I just attach it to the 2 end because I will be gluing down the top part of the napkin holder, and then also I'll be gluing down the next bit because I want to put like a mirror, you know, on the end of it, so it looks nice. It looks really blingy and nice. Yeah, I said blingy and nice. I'm not this person, but I'm growing into it, to be honest. I am. So I just went ahead and just put some hot glue onto the toilet roll that I've cut out, and just use my hot glue again just to secure it in place and just to keep it standing straight because I don't want it to, you know, be falling over and everything. I'm sure you're aware as well. You don't want that to happen. So I just did it for both of the end. And guys, thank you so much for all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for all my subscribers that have been following me from day one. Thank you guys so much. Jay Bless, thank you so much. Melissa, thank you. So if I've forgotten to say anybody else's name, I will be saying it next week. So I want to shout out to every week because you guys have been with me from the beginning. So I want to do this for you guys every week. So I just went ahead and, as I said to you, just connect the 2 ends together, and then from here I'm going to just use my scissors just to get the extra bit of the tissue roll that is hanging off the foil roll because I need it to be really nice. You know me, nice and neat. Yeah. So guys, if you've been watching my video all this time and you haven't liked or subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you want to see some cool stuff like this. I mean, this is top shelf stuff, you know what I mean, because I haven't used, or I didn't use any money to purchase anything because all these stuff are actually rubbish as we would have thought that I had at home. So come on, give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and also stick to the end because trust me, it's so awesome. So awesome. Also, I just want to say a shout out to my niece Chardonnay. Thank you so much. You've been so helpful to me. She's been here with me, as I said to you guys, she's been here with me since Wednesday. But yeah, thank you so much, Chardonnay. So I just went ahead and then just start measuring out where I want to put the standing part of the napkin holder. So I just use a pen to mark it on the mirror, and then I just went ahead. So this knob, I had it from, I did my console table. I'll leave a link with that video before so you can check it out. And then I just hot glue it on, and as I said before, here I just marked out where I need to put the holder on. That's it. Simple as that. I just get my Gorilla Glue. If you guys are interested about my Gorilla Glue, I will leave a link in the description box below, so in case you want to buy it as well. So quick, so easy. And also I use the Gorilla Glue because I want it to last long. I don't want it to just fall off and then, you know, 2-3 weeks or a week I'm having problems. So no, this is it. And I didn't like the way the mirror look, so you will see what I did after the end, and also this bit. So I just went around with some gems and hot glue and then just glam it up a little bit more so it looks more like me, you know, me, this new me. And I'm loving this new me. Yeah, so I just went around and did it, and then I just attached that top bit onto the mirror. And trust me, you need a lot of hot glue because the Gorilla Glue, it takes a while to dry, so the hot glue will keep it in place until the Gorilla Glue dries. So just hold it on for a few seconds until it's quite dry. And I just went ahead with my glass cleaner and one of my cleaning cloth and just, you know, clean my mirror. Simple as that. And also this mirror, I have it maybe 4 years, yeah, because normally I just use it to put like my little tea lights on. So yeah, and I just try out my my napkin, but I didn't like it. So what I did, I went ahead, you will see after, I just went ahead and just put some gems around it. And these are the napkins ring that I made out of the shower curtain holders. You cannot tell that these are shower curtain holders, just for me, I can't tell, because my niece is just telling me, oh, they look so nice, auntie, they look so blinging. I'm like, yeah girl, they do look blinging, but check it out, this is the end result. Come on guys, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, comment below. And as I said to you guys, I did a little decor of my table. Now I should have videoed this, but I've forgotten, and just after I finished it I'm like, oh my god, I don't want to take everything back off, so I just videoed it anyway. But yeah, this is how everything looks. And these napkins, I got them off Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And look at my napkin holders, sorry, my napkin rings. They look so awesome, so amazing. You can't even tell that these are shower curtains and gems with a little bit of hot glue. And these are things that you can make when you have like people coming over for dinner and you want to look fancy, or you want to make it, you know, nice. You don't have to go out and spend a ton of money to buy a lot of things. You just do these things. I mean, a shower curtain at the pound shop costs £1, literally £1, and you get 12 of these shower rings in it. So simple. And as I said, we had a tea party. We did have a tea party, girl. Check out my this was so nice. It was baguette, smoked salmon and cheese, and at the bottom I have ham, cheese and cucumber. And then here is the napkin holder. Come on guys, comment below and tell me what you think of it. I am in love with it. My niece is in love with it. Well, not my niece, my nieces, I must say. Lily as well. Hello Lily, thank you so much for helping out auntie. Yeah, and trust me, everything went off the table like it was a little storm. Literally, it was like a little storm. But I'm so happy that I get to do this. I didn't want to do something huge this week to kind of give people the impression that I'm trying to do something that they won't be able to follow. So I just bring it down a notch this week and just do something simple. So I hope you guys like it. I like it, you know. All my kids like it because obviously my sister's kids is my kids. So yeah, and tell me what you think about the decor. It's like a little tea party happening here. Okay, I know it's not Easter, but I have some Easter stuff, you know, hanging out. But yeah, it was so nice. We had tea. Well, they had tea, I had coffee. They had orange juice, watermelon, cucumber, olives. Nobody eat the olive, just so you know. Strawberries. We had cheese and ham with I forgot the name of that thing. Croissant. Yes, croissant. But it was so awesome, so awesome guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week guys. Please check out my playlist below. Thank you. Bye bye.